Good morning, everybody. Ben Solheim here, physical therapist with Health in Motion. And today I wanted to talk to you about some gardening and lawn strategies you might be able to do to save on maybe some low back pain or mid back pain. So just a little advice, make sure that you're using a gardening pad for your knees or something like that to unload them. Whenever you're getting down and you're going to be reaching for weeds, anytime you're doing this, you want to try and plant your hand. So if I'm reaching to pick this guy out, that's great. But even as we're going and reaching way far forward, making sure you have the support for your hand as far out as possible so that you're minimizing the amount of strain on your back and not necessarily just reaching out like this. If you're going to be down here for a while, it's going to be a good idea for you to unload your spine, your mid back, and your low back. One of the ways you can do that is to take that same planted position, reach your hand as far through as you can to the opposite side, and then go all the way up and rotate your back the entire way. Doing that about 5 or 10 times, or it might be 5 or 10 minutes or so, should really help break up the activity. But if you're going to be down here for an extended period of time, standing up is going to be the thing you want to do. All right, now in a standing up position, what you want to do is do the reverse of what you've just been doing. You've been bent forward for quite a bit, and you've been rotating left and right. That's great, but we want to go backwards. So if you want to take a split stance, reach your hands as far over your head as you can, and repeat that on either side. The other thing you can do is take a couple of hands overhead, and then reach one over to rotate. These strategies don't work. We're happy to help you out and find ones that do.